Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Author's Insight with Tiana. If you're new to this channel, I am the author of 9 published books that I've published on my own, Tiana Bennell Mumford. Nice to meet everyone. Thank you for stopping by my channel. But this channel is for self-published authors, those who are aspiring to be authors, those who are seasoned authors who have basically ideas that you can share with the community, but this is a community. I am forming a community. So if that is you, make sure you like, share, subscribe, join our community. But I will be posting mostly weekly unless I have some more news and nuggets to drop on you, then I will post something sporadically. But today I want to focus on the writing process and are you in position to write? So I want you to think about that for a minute. But before you do so, make sure you like, share, and hit that subscribe button. But what do you mean, Tiana? Are you in a position to write? Girl, I'm sitting in my chair. Yes, I'm in the position. Nope. That's not what I'm talking about. It's the 4 P's of writing. What does that look like? Well, the 4 P's of writing is, what's your purpose? Are you wanting to write just because everybody else is writing? And this self-publishing KDP is breaking everybody, like it's for everybody. Like everybody's becoming a self-published author. You can do low content books, medium content books, high medium content books. There's so many that you can do. But what is your purpose behind it? And then do you have a passion? Do you have a passion for writing or getting a story out? And then what's your posture? And then for those who are believers, such as myself, have you prayed about it? Have you went into meditation about it? I can tell you that 10 years ago when I published my first book, my purpose was I hit a hard stop in my life. I'm a healthcare professional by trade, and I abruptly had to leave a job. And I was like, oh my gosh, Lord, what do I do? I was so down and out. And because I worked at that point 10 plus years working side by side in a clinic, and that's all I knew, was clinic and hospital. So what am I going to do now? And a friend at the time, she said, girl, just get still and see what God has for you. So that was my purpose. That was my push. And then my passion. My passion is to help people. That is my passion. No matter if you're young, old, I've blessed people from being 0 to 106. But, my passion is to always help. So with the book that I came out, I Would Not Change My Hair at All, is, based on 4 little girls and wanting to be like their friends. So that was me growing up. I wanted my hair and looks to be like other people. So what can I tell? I tapped into the younger Tiana to convey the story. So that was my passion. I must tell little girls. I must help my daughter to not love her hair so much that it makes her day be bad or whatever the case may be. My posture and my alignment is my inner being, my strength. Do I have peace? And then my outer world. What's my outer world looking like? Am I full of distractions or, I don't know. But it has to be in alignment. You're in order to sit down, be quiet, be still and write, get those ideas from your head to paper, and then prayer. For me, I had to ask God, God, what do I do? Next thing I know, I got my computer and I'm typing, oh, there's 4 girls. And all of it started making sense. God just started flowing ideas. So if you're sitting in a dealership and you're just waiting on your car to be serviced, get out your iPad, get out your phone and start jotting things down, because all those ideas that you're jotting down form into a book. So if you are on a Zoom call or a meeting and you get to zoning out, because that's what us adults do after so long, go ahead and grab the yellow sticky paper at the end of the task bar. Go ahead and start putting ideas on there. And like I said, all those ideas form into a book. So that way you will be able to get your book published, whether it's self publishing or traditional. All I know is self publishing. So I am here to help you, guide you, drop all the resources that I have over the 10 years that I had to pay for. I am willing to give you. Come and join this community. I have a Facebook private community, Arthur's Insight with Tiana. If you want that free guide, I wrote a free self publishing guide. You may obtain it by going to arthursinsightwithtiana.com, and you may be able to access that. So, thank you so much for your time and stopping by. But think about that writing process and just making sure you're in position so you can get that story out of you, because we all have a story to tell. That's it. That's all. Next time, have a blessed week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.